Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got a Galaxy Note 9 Exynos model and Galaxy S9 Plus. The ROM that I have installed on my Galaxy Note 9 is actually LMODroid. Version is 4.2. Currently, this is the latest version. Android version is 13. This is the AOSP ROM. Very, very fast. Those who like to have stock Android type of ROM, or those who like to have AOSP ROM, this is what you need. Check the kernel version date, Fab 2 2025. Yes, updates are coming with the ROM. If you're installing this ROM, you will get an update, and hopefully I am hoping for Android 14 also for the Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus. Well, the ROM is performing absolutely good, no issues, no bugs. If I go to security and if I go to more security setting, we are getting app lock over here. We can particularly lock the app, the one we want. The fingerprint scanner is working. Face unlocking is also working. ROM comes without caps. Yes, we have to install caps separately to log in Gmail account. ROM does not have any lagging issues. ROM is performing without lag and lag free. AOSP camera is coming by default with the ROM. We can record videos, and the ROM is providing to record videos with 4K, 480, 720, 1080p. No issues taking pictures, no issues recording videos. Rear camera, front camera, both working perfectly. Default video player is also provided with the ROM. You have to select just before playing any video. Just check out the icons. I have used Lineage, Pixel OS, etc., but I am using this ROM for the first time, and I can see that the calculator icons look beautiful. These are the applications that I have installed already from my Google Play Store, and few applications coming by default with the ROM. Check out the message icon, notification or control center. Basically, this is the AOSP ROM. So you will see the AOSP control center, and we can edit the control center to add or to remove the toggles. By default, the F-Droid store is coming with the ROM. If you do not want a Google Play Store on your mobile phone, you can still use the F-Droid. But I think everyone will want to have a Google Play Store after flashing the ROM. Doesn't matter whatever you like to do or whatever you like to have, this ROM will respond quickly. Although this is Android 13, but still we are getting to bold the text. We are getting desktop mode. We can connect the mobile phone with the desktop mode on TV or on PC. This is Android 13, and we are getting separate app languages provided. We can select language of the any particular applications. If we want, we can add language. Yes, very big list available and provided. Whatever language you like, you can just click on it or tap on it, it will get added. I can see gestures, buttons, status bar. These are the options or features that coming with the current ROM. Yes, the updater application is working. If the updates arrive, yes, you will get an update over here, and you can update the ROM on your mobile phone. Just want to show that the Wi-Fi is working. The sad thing that I don't like in this ROM is that by default this ROM is coming, device is not certified. Yes, the safety net will also not get passed, but if we want, we can root the ROM and we can install the modules to make the device certified. So far, if the ROM is not rooted, the banking applications are working perfectly without any issue. If we root the ROM, then we will face issues using the banking applications. I have inserted my SIM card. Yes, the SIM card is working.
Welcome to Jazz, where customer services is our priority.
Calling is working, either the incoming calls or the outgoing calls. The dialer that provided with the ROM is actually not Google dialer. This is AOSP dialer, and same way messaging applications that were coming with the ROM is not actually Google messaging application. This is also an AOSP message application. Now, if you want to install this ROM on Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 Plus, you need to watch the further video. But you must have an Exynos model. This ROM is not for the Snapdragon. While the links are provided in my video description, after clicking the link, must read all the information provided on the website. Well, you can see that the highlights are like a desktop mode, app lock, game space, micro G or GMS, about the Google Play services, parallel space, and new well-being backup, hotspot manager, etc., etc. Many things are available. Just read all the information that are coming with the ROM. And the good news is for the Linux or the Ubuntu based operating system coming soon for the mobile phones. And the ROM is compatible with these chipset processors. Well, you can see that the interface of the website is just like Lineage OS. Coming to this website, I'm going for the Galaxy S9 Plus, so I will click here on the Galaxy S9 Plus, and you can see that the LMODroid Libre Mobile Droid OS available for the Galaxy S9 Plus over here. Now we have to download this particular file also, and you can see the release date is 1st Feb 2025. Hopefully the Android 14 will get released soon. Now click this link to download the ROM file, and then click only the recovery.img by clicking over here. And we have to download the Google applications, which is gaps. This one is for the Android 13. The current version is Android 13. So we have to go for the Android 13, mind the gaps. This particular gaps will work. Other gaps that I have installed already not working, right? So click over here and download it. Here is my downloaded folder. I have downloaded all the files. The ROM file for the Galaxy S9 Plus, mind the gaps, Odin 3.14.1, platform tools, and the recovery. This is the LMODroid recovery. First of all, extract platform tools, then extract Odin in same folder, then copy the ROM file and the gaps file and the recovery file right from the downloaded folder, and open the extracted folder of the platform tools, paste all the three files in this folder. Done. For to make the things easy, just rename the files. Which one? Yes, first select the ROM file, click on it, press F2, just give a name ROM. File is supposed to be rom.zip. Press enter key. Now select the gaps file, click on it, press F2, rename it, just give a name GAPPS. The file is supposed to be GAPPS.zip. Press enter key. I have provided commands in my video description, so we have to convert the recovery.img file into recovery.tar. You need to go to my video description and copy the command from there. Here what the command is look like, this one, right? Copy all the command provided in the video description, and then come to the extracted folder of the platform tools, right click on CMD, left click on run as administrator, click yes on next pop-up window. The command window will get open. On the command window, press Ctrl plus V on the keyboard, so the command will get pasted and the file is already got converted. Now do not close the command window. We'll go back to my extracted folder, and I can see that the recovery.img and recovery.tar file is now available. I can delete the recovery.img file, which is already copied in my extracted folder of the platform tools. And I can cut the recovery.tar file from the extracted folder, and will go back to my downloaded folder, and I will paste the file over here. You can see I have already recovery.img file on my downloaded folder, and now I got recovery.tar. Now we'll open the extracted folder of the Odin, then we'll double click the Odin to open it. Click OK on this pop-up window. Then on the Odin, click any slot. I will go for the AP slot. Then I will go to my downloaded folder and I will select the recovery.tar by double clicking on it. Coming back towards the mobile phones, I will put away this Galaxy Note 9 because the Galaxy Note 9 is already having the LMODroid ROM, and I am coming back towards the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now we have to do few things before starting the flushing procedure. First of all, check the mobile phone battery must be charged not below 30%, above 30%, right? We have to save all the internal storage data, otherwise everything will get formatted. And your mobile phone OEM unlockings is supposed to be turned on. Go to lock screen and turn off the lock screen by selecting swipe and go to accounts backup. Now let me tell you that if you have Samsung account, if you want to sync it and then must remove it to avoid issues, and also sync your Google account once, must remove it to avoid issues. And the mobile phone is supposed to be on the latest stock firmware, otherwise maybe the ROM will not get boot. So currently my mobile phone is having a custom ROM, but before the getting this custom ROM, my mobile phone was updated to the latest stock firmware. As I have already the custom ROM, so my mobile phone OEM unlocking is already turned on. Power of the mobile phone. Now we have to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. The phone is supposed to be power off. For Galaxy S9 Plus, we need to press the volume down key, Bixby key and power key. Do not connect the cable, right? First, volume down, then Bixby key and power key. When you see warning screen, release all the three keys. This is how the warning screen will look like, right? When you see a warning screen, just press the volume up key once to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. Press the volume up key once again to light up the screen. The Odin mode screen is supposed to be like this. The product name that I got currently, and I was having custom ROM, that is why custom binary. Current binary is custom. FRP lock is supposed to be off, and OEM lock is supposed to be off also. And I cannot see kg state, but in your case, if you see kg state, it shows must be checking. If it shows pre-normal, then you need to convert. You need to change from pre-normal to checking. If the kg state show checking, then the flashing will get done properly. Well, these are the old phones, that is why the buttons are sometime broken. Like the current mobile phone that I have is having a broken button of the Bixby key. Well, I have inserted the button. Coming back towards the Galaxy S9 Plus, the phone is booted already in Odin mode. Connect the cable with the mobile phone. And on the computer screen, the Odin already detected the mobile phone because I have installed the Samsung Android USB driver already on my Windows. This is what I can see. Now on the Odin, click Options and tick the Auto Reboot and go back to Lock and then click Start to start flashing the recovery file. When you see pass message, means that things done. Click exit, go back to downloaded folder and then double click to open the extracted folder of the platform tools and coming back towards the mobile phone. Mobile phone still booted into Odin mode. The cable is supposed to be connected and we have to boot the mobile phone into custom recovery from the Odin mode. Now press and hold the volume up key, volume down key, Bixby key and power key. All four keys are supposed to be press and hold at same time. When the phone restart, first release the volume down key, then release the power key and now wait to boot the mobile phone into custom recovery. Just wait, do not release the volume up key, Bixby key. We got the recovery screen. This is the LMODroid recovery. Now on the recovery screen, first tap factory reset and tap format data factory reset, format data, things happening, done. Then format system and tap yes. Done. And now go back to main screen, then tap apply update, apply from ADB. The phone is connected into ADB site load mode. On the computer screen, I will bring back the command window that was minimized earlier when I was doing other things. So I did not close the command window, right? On the command window, first we have to flash the ROM file. To flash the ROM file, type the command adb space sideload space rom.zip, press enter key. It's look like I'm having issues. I will disconnect the cable while the phone is still booted into ADB mode, ADB sideload mode, and I will reconnect the cable with the mobile phone. And this time I will type the command once again. Same thing is happening while my device manager is showing a non-USB device. Now let me disconnect the cable, and that thing gone. I cannot see the red yellow mark again on the device manager. With my case, I will just tap cancel, then I will tap advance, and I will tap reboot to recovery. I will reboot my custom recovery on my Galaxy S9 Plus. Recovery appears without connecting cable. I will boot my mobile phone into ADB mode. Tap apply update, apply from ADB, and now connect the cable. And now this time, no yellow mark. Things look fine. We'll close device manager and then we'll bring back the command window, and I will again type the command adb space sideload space rom.zip, press enter key, and you can see that the ROM is started transferring to the mobile phone. Sometime we get these issues, and there is a solution for things that I have done and I have showed. Now we have to wait here. It will take a little time. Flashing got completed. Install completed with status 0, which means that ROM got flashed very perfectly. Now we have to flash the gaps. For that, we have to reboot the recovery. Tap advance and tap reboot to recovery. And once again, tap apply update, apply from ADB. And on the computer screen, on the command window, type the command adb space sideload space gapps.zip, press enter key. Now it will take a little time, so we have to wait here now. Somehow during gaps installation, you will see signature verification failed. Install anyway, yes, tap yes. Well done. Again, you will see install completed with status 0. Done perfectly. Simply tap reboot system now and disconnect the cable from the mobile phone. The mobile phone will start booting to the latest ROM, and it will have a quick boot. And I am done from the computer. I can close the command window, and if I want, I can delete the extracted folders. Boot it quickly, complete the setup screen. If you want to stick with the LMODroid ROM, then we have to put a tick sign over here to update the recovery also alongside with the OS. So the ROM got flashed very smoothly, things all done very perfectly. These are the applications coming with the ROM. And we got the Play Store also because I have installed the gaps and working perfectly with the ROM. Currently, this is what the interface of the settings. We'll tap the about phone. My mobile phone model is SMG965F. We'll tap the Android 13 version. This is the LMODroid version 4.2 Android 13, and the kernel version, if you see the date, 1st Feb 2025. So this is how we can get the new ROM on the Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy S9, Galaxy S9 Plus. Oldest phone, but I'm so happy that I got Android 13 on these mobile phones. See you again in my upcoming video, and take a good care of yourself. Goodbye.